morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. We just woke up in Death Valley. We left the campsite already, and we are going to hit a waterfall trail in Death Valley and then make our way to Alabama Hills. We're going to take you on this hike right now. The waterfall. We just made it to the waterfall. It was 1 mile in, and then it's going to be 1 mile out, so 2 miles round trip. This is what it looks like. The sound ended up getting messed up on this clip, so I'm just going to do a little voiceover for you guys, but we're headed to the Artist Drive in Death Valley National Park right now, and it's a 9-mile drive through the canyons and mountains, rainbows of color. It's actually called a palette of color, and it's a really great place to watch the sunset. Of course, we're not here for the sunset, but I've heard really good reviews, and all the colors in the mountains like change. It's really, really pretty. We just drove into Nevada, and I've actually been wanting to stay at this resort. It's called the Red Rock Resort and Spa. It's like on the outskirts of Las Vegas. It's like a 5-star hotel. It's like a resort, a spa. Oh, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna come here for like a date night, like one weekend. And on this trip, he was like, yeah, I actually ended up just booking us a night there. We have like a free like upgrade because we normally book all of our hotels through hotels.com. Every 10 stays you get a free night, so this is our free night. It was like a couple $100s, so we got it for free. And then we also are a gold member, which is like the highest member, so you get like late checkout, free early check-in, and then if there's like upgrades, you get like an upgraded room. At least hopefully we have a bubble bath with some jets because my legs are fried from the hikes that we've been doing. Those things kicked my butt a lot. I totally like twisted my ankle, of course, because I'm clumsy. Like 2 types of hiking shoes. I have a hiking boot that like goes up to your ankle. It's like the Morel ones, and then I have the Morel just like hiking shoe, so it doesn't go to your ankle. And since I'm like really clumsy, I normally use the boots, but in the summer when it's warmer out, I try to just use the shoes, or else I get like this like nasty sock tan. So yeah, I was just like wearing the shoes, just like break them in, because I just got them from Summit Hut in Tucson. They sent them to me, and yeah, I've been rolling my ankles left and right, like both of them. So I do sometimes wear like an ankle bracelet, but those are kind of uncomfortable when I'm trying to hike like 8 miles or more. I don't know, they personally just like bother me. But yeah, I think it's time to switch back to my boots. Summer's over, fall and winter are here. Definitely what I'm gonna do. But once Alex gets back, I'll show you guys our room. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys our room. Super nice. This is a little bar station. It even has like things that say to do not disturb or to make our room up, which is very cool. What says, oh, our closet.
I don't know, I'm just looking at the doors.
What's this one?
Oh,
there's another bathroom?
What is this?
Okay, so it has a half bath.
We can both dump in the morning.
Wonderful. This is our dining area and our little living room. We got our TV. Since we upgraded the room, we didn't get the mountain view, but we got the city view. So you could see Las Vegas right over there. Doo-doo. And then it has a separate room. This is our bedroom. We have like another window view, same view, basically. And into our bathroom. Oh my god. Wow. Again, a relaxing bath with some jets. A shower, and then another loo. This is like bigger than our first apartment.
Right?
So this is what it's like to stay in a 5-star hotel. Oh, this is another closet. Wow, the light even turns on. Cool.
Dual closets.
This is awesome. Now we're gonna have some fun. So I don't know if you guys are curious about what we use when we go camping, but what we do for water is we have 3 of these gallon waters. They're called Arctic with an R. We got them off Amazon. They're on our Amazon list. I think they're like $30 or $40. So we have 3 of them. We fill them up all the way with ice, and then we just keep on buying like bags of ice and gallons of water. That's how we keep our water. Then we have a snack bag. We just buy like a bunch of snacks from the store because it's cheaper. Alex is like a snacker, so I actually have 2 of these. And then we get the Costco Kirkland vodka. Since it's only like $13, we just buy normally like a 6-pack and we have them at home. And then we just bring like 1 of these or 2 of them. And that's what we do.